Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating, competitive world of global R&D. And no, I don't mean rest and relaxation though, wouldn't that be nice? We're talking research and development, the engine of innovation. Ever wonder who's winning the global innovation race? Which countries are throwing down the big bucks to shape the future? Well, that's our list today, the top 10 nations in R&D spending. So let's get nerdy and jump right in. No surprise, topping our list is the United States. From Silicon Valley's tech giants to cutting-edge research at universities, the US invests massively in its future. We're talking hundreds of billions of dollars a year, folks. The US knows that innovation is the key to staying ahead, and they're not afraid to spend big to make it happen. It's a place where a college dropout with a good idea can change the world. Coming in hot on the heels of the US is China, and they are not messing around. China aims to be a global innovation powerhouse with massive R&D investments. AI, telecommunications, quantum computing, stuff straight out of science fiction. Chinese companies are major global players, shaping the future with cutting-edge tech. Coming in at number 3 is a nation synonymous with technological prowess, Japan. From bullet trains to robot dogs, Japan's commitment to R&D is unmatched. Their meticulous attention to detail and quality turns research into marketable products. Heavy investments in robotics and miniaturization have transformed manufacturing. Japan leads in materials science, nanotechnology, and renewable energy. Coming in at number 4 is Germany, known for precision engineering and high-quality manufacturing. Germany excels in automotive engineering, industrial automation, and sustainable technologies. German universities and research institutions are among the best in the world. Coming in at number 5 is South Korea, synonymous with cutting-edge technology and global brands. Is there anyone who hasn't heard of Samsung or LG? From smartphones to electric vehicle batteries, South Korea is a global tech titan. They've gone from developing nation to technological powerhouse in just a few decades. Coming in at number 6 is a nation known for its art, its culture, its cuisine, and oh yeah, its world-class research and development, France. France has a long and storied history of scientific discovery and technological innovation, and they continue to be a major player on the global stage. We're talking cutting-edge research in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy, just to name a few. France understands that innovation is not just about technological progress, it's about improving people's lives. Coming in at number 7 is a nation with a rapidly growing economy, a young and ambitious population, and a burgeoning tech scene, India. India has become a global hub for IT outsourcing and software development, but they're not content to just be the world's back office. They're investing heavily in research and development, particularly in fields like pharmaceuticals, space exploration, and of course information technology. Indian innovators are developing affordable healthcare solutions, clean energy technologies, and educational platforms that can reach millions of people. Coming in at number 8 is a nation with a rich history of scientific discovery and technological innovation, the United Kingdom. From Isaac Newton to Alan Turing, the UK has produced some of the greatest minds in human history, and that legacy of innovation continues to this day. The UK invests heavily in R&D across a wide range of sectors, from healthcare to finance to artificial intelligence. They're home to world-renowned universities, cutting-edge research institutions, and a thriving startup ecosystem. Next up, Russia. From Sputnik to supercomputers, R&D with rocket power. Russia, a nation with a complex history and a proud tradition of scientific achievement. From launching Sputnik to developing powerful supercomputers, Russia excels in R&D. They invest heavily in defense, space, and energy, with leading researchers in physics and engineering. The friendly face of R&D, rounding out our list at number 10 is a nation known for its friendly people, its stunning scenery, and its surprisingly robust R&D sector, Canada. Canada may not have the same global profile as some of the other countries on this list, but they're quietly making significant contributions to a wide range of fields. We're talking healthcare, environmental science, artificial intelligence, and more. Canada is home to world-class universities, innovative startups, and a government that's committed to supporting research and development. The future of innovation. Here are the top nations leading in R&D spending. From the US to Canada, billions are invested in shaping the future, pushing the boundaries of what's possible globally. It's a race where everyone benefits from progress. Stay curious, stay informed, and maybe you'll be part of the future. Until next time, thanks for watching.